Here we have the Inmo Go AR glasses, a cutting-edge innovation in the smart glasses industry. If you follow advancements in augmented reality eyewear, you will likely heard of Inmo, especially given their significant impact on YouTube. Over the past few years, many of my viewers have requested to review another of their products, and today I finally have the opportunity to do so. Inmo specializes in the smart glasses innovation, pioneering wireless AR technology and AI integrated eyewear to establish itself as a global leader in the industry. The company holds over 100 AR technology patents along with 30 plus 5G centric patents, 20 plus wearable IPs, and 25 plus AI algorithm patents. Inmo Go AR glasses comes with the support for 11 languages, a smart teleprompter, and an integrated AI assistant powered by ChatGPT. The hands-free functionality and built-in Bluetooth speaker further enhance the user's experience. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and find out how cool this smart glasses is. So let's get on with it. All right, just so you know, as an early adapter, I could have received an early prototype model with the package. So the final package that we received might differ to what I have here. If we slide it out, we got a nice, almost like a plasticky feel of a cover with a slight metal, and it says never just glasses in the writing. And if we open up, we got the glasses here, and this one is the cable, USB-A to USB-C. Main model itself kind of bulky, and you can see the projection screen. It looks like different levels in here. Further is looks darker and it gets lighter, and it's only on one side actually. We got some button here. These two are for microphone function. There's another button here. The speaker is on this side and that side as well. Nice Inmo logo there. As you can see, there's a spring reaction there. There are 3 different layers. You can see it going on here. We got the USB-C plug, so there are 2 sort of wheels. Right, so if you press the right hand side button, it actually says please install and connect the Inmo Go app to use. Okay, so you can either scan the QR code with the manual that comes with it, or you can download the app to use it. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory, and we can actually see the battery level as well. Okay, so the app's been installed. I presume it's Inmo Go, so let's press it, and permission, let's allow whatever it is. Okay, discovered this device. So long press right function key on the glasses for voice control at any time. Long press on touch on the right pad on the glasses quickly for play and pause for music. And also to ensure the app runs with the screen off, go to permission management and set battery optimization, auto start and lock background as well. So once you're connected to your phone, you can see the main time and also the date and the temperature of weather and so on. You can see the battery level on the right hand side top, and the bottom we got voice assistant, which is ChatGPT powered, and on the right hand side bottom we got translation. So to go through the actual app itself, on the top left hand side corner we got these 2 lines where you can actually enable notification access, pair and connect, glasses details, permission management, terms and privacy, about app, and log feedback. So if we were to come out of that menu, on the left hand side bottom we are in the translate page. On the left hand side top, for this we got voice translation and dialogue function, which we will go through later on. Next to it is the prompter, teleprompter. Next one is music, and the last one is Inmo. So this is more like an instruction for use. So what we're going to do is try the voice translation function on it. So if we were to click on that, so this is a scenario that translates other parties' speech into your language and displays it onto your Inmo Go glasses. Okay, so the next step is you click on the right temple of the glasses to enter translation, and then to right temple of the glasses to start translate and pause, and etc. So I'm entering a scenario where I am a Korean speaker and you guys are English understanders. Okay, so the other party's language is in Korean and the listener, my language, is in English. So let's get on with it. Okay. 안녕하세요. 저는 LJP 테크라는 유튜버입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. 저희 채널을 구독해 주시고 열심히 봐주세요. Okay? That's very good. So as you can see, all the translation is now appearing into the screen on both on the app itself and on your smart glass, so you guys could have a really quick responding dialogue. Obviously, because I'm speaking in English, it's not translating very well, but you can see the efficiency on how well it is directing the language into one to another. Okay, so that is pretty impressive with the speed itself, isn't it? Again, if you want to keep on track on what you guys have discussed, you can always go to the history, and these are the recordings that I just made, so you can go back and go, ha ha ha, that was a very good conversation we had. Now, next one is dialogue. So the difference between these two, on the explanation it says, for example, listening to foreign lectures, watching foreign videos, and etc. That's for the voice translation. This one is more like business, negotiation, exhibition communication, asking for direction abroad. So this is a bit shorter version of it. Okay, so if we click on it, we're on the English to Korean translation version on it. And I'm actually speaking English, and now it's translating in Korean for me. So that's very cool, isn't it? So you can go on and on and on talking about it, and you can say how great I am, and etc. It says on the bottom here, hold to speak to the other party, swipe up to cancel. That's the other function you could explore. Again, you can see the translation in your Inmo Air Go screen, so that's very handy indeed, isn't it? And it's a very quick reaction again, and you can see the strength of the translation ability that you can't see from other smart glasses functioning currently. So that's very good. Look at that, all these beautiful Korean writing in there. So if we were to go back to the original page, you can see again, it will keep the history of all the conversation you had. So if you miss out any bits, you can check out again. So the next one is prompter. So if we were to click on it, you just need to press new teleprompter and just need to copy and paste or type whatever you want to say. So for this exercise, I'm just going to go back to the history of the translation and somehow copy some of these bits in here, just very randomly copy. And let's go back to the prompter and paste it, and then you can actually title it as well, saying new LJP Tech. Okay, and then start teleprompter. So it says warm tips to avoid interference is recommended to enable airplane mode, okay, and etc. Okay, so you can actually choose font size, small, also manual, automatic, full screen, top half, bottom half, and etc. So you can see all the script is actually written in here onto the screen, blah, blah, blah. I can actually read it from here from the camera point of view as well. So those you can actually read and also pretend as if you were talking, and no one will know about it unless they can see the green light sticking out from the lens. Again, Inmo Air app will keep all these records. So rest assured, if you feel like panicky you're going to lose all these data, it will always keep it automatically, and if you want to delete it, you can forcefully delete it later on. Again, the next one is music, and it's pretty much the standard Bluetooth connection. It's just trying to explain to you how it works, especially on the controlling side of it. So you could go through all the instruction here, but if you imagine if you're connected to a earbud, it's the same functioning. Okay, so to show you how powerful the speaker is, let's actually go to my YouTube channel and play one of my latest video. So here it goes. There's a speaker, as you can see here. So also kindly send me their Tiny 2 Lite webcam to review. Okay, there's a lot of sound because it's almost on the maximum volume. CMOS sensor for high quality video. It's also powerful, but what I noticed is that the treble sound is a bit weak. I wish it was sharper, but then again, I don't think you should ask too much on everything on the smart glasses, otherwise it will be very bulky. So on the telephone point of view, because you got a very good speaker on both end and also microphone holes too on both end as well, I could assure you you're gonna have a very good experience on that side as well. So on the final menu, we got Inmo, so you can actually go to the official WeChat, query about the problems you have with the actual unit and etc. So finally, let's actually try it out on my head. So that's how it looks like, and obviously you can see it's a bit bulky, and I can understand the reason behind it is because it has these two speakers on the back that will actually require a lot of battery, hence it's a bit bulkier. I'm just hoping that maybe the actual frame maybe could be thinner to make it less sort of standing out. I mean, the lens, the projection screen itself, there's nothing here, but there's one here. You can see the reflection going on there. That's pretty cool. I like that angle there. But I think some people, if they look at you in this angle, will probably think that you're a cyborg or something like that, and so on. So that's how it looks. So if I turn my head this way or that way, or even more, you can see this bit sticking out as well. These are not the problem. I think there could be an improvement on this side, and I'm sure there's a good reason behind it, but I just think especially this bit here seems a bit bulkier. So again, if I were to turn on the screen, yeah, I can see the Inmo Go on the left hand side top, the battery on the right hand side, and the time, date, and the weather, also the temperature, voice assistant, and translation. And it's right in the middle of the right hand side screen. Actually I can see that. Okay, let's turn it on. If you're actually looking at me, there's a very good chance that you can see my text actually appearing there. So another cyborg kind of looking here. So there's a brief sort of 10 seconds of full appearance, and then about dimming down about 5 to 10, and then it sort of disappears, and you could go on with it. Now the touch button, obviously you can actually go like that, and if I tap on the actual frame, it says translation in progress. And if I were to press on the actual main function button again, you will go back to the main screen. And then if you want to go to the voice assistant, you just need to press on the function button, and you can see that it says picking up, and then you can talk to it, and etc. Okay, so on the voice assistant side, after you press it and you fail to do so, it actually shows you what sort of function you could go with. For example, you could increase the screen brightness, increase the volume, play music, and etc. And if you want to go back to the function again with the assistant, you just need to tap on the touchpad as well to chat. But again, like you can see all these green text right in front of you. I think a lot of your friends or your relative will be quite impressed by that. Probably they're going to think that you're reading their mind or so on. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Comparing to the recent smart glasses I got hold of, Inmo Go's biggest strength is the tunability to the sound and swift translation capability. I can see why the main screen reading is only available to the right hand side, because the text display covers the central vision. If this was to be projected on both sides of the lens, it would clearly be a distraction if you were to move around. Because of the central covering vision, this gives you an advantage of wider screen space to read text, unlike other smart glasses which are only limited to quarter of the upper vision. Again, I wish the overall bulkiness of the frame can be much thinner so that others won't notice clearly it is a smart glass. Happy to lose the speaker capability if this is required. Overall, this script was written and being read out through the Inmo Go that I am currently wearing, so that you can see how one can look when they read out the transcript for presentation. So I hope this video helped you understand how Inmo Go works and how cool it is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJB Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.